1. Take control of your morning. Wake up early, before the noise, before the world, before your phone. This first hour isn't random, it's yours. If you win this hour, you control the day. 2. Create instant momentum. Make your bed immediately. It's not about cleanliness, it's about action. One small win tells your brain, I execute. 3. Train discomfort daily. Take a cold shower for 1 minute. This is your first battle of the day. If you can stay calm in discomfort, you won't break under pressure. 4. Build physical discipline. Lift heavy, train hard. Your body is your training ground. Every rep is proof. You don't quit when things get hard. 5. Rewire your mind. Read at least 10 pages. This is how you replace distraction with growth. What you consume daily becomes how you think. 6. Lock into deep work. Spend 1 hour with 0 distractions. Phone off, notifications off, world off. 1 focused hour beats an entire distracted day. 7. Find clarity in silence. Go for a walk without your phone. No music, no noise, just your thoughts. This is where clarity and real ideas are built. 8. Build self-trust. Keep 1 promise to yourself every day. Start small, but never break it. This is how you become someone you can rely on. 9. Face yourself honestly. Journal daily. No filters, no pretending, just truth. You can't improve a life you refuse to look at. 10. Track progress, not perfection. At night, write down 3 wins, even if 1 win is just, I didn't quit. This trains your brain to see progress. Final step. Understand the real game. This doesn't work overnight. It's slow, it's hard, it's repetitive. But that's the point. You don't need motivation. You need consistency. Start with 1 step. Master it. Then add the next. That's how you rebuild your life 1 win at a time.